कि सर मैं आप अंकुर सर से बात कर लो, मेरे को पूरा पैक कर रखा है, मैं 1 ही बजे तक काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं बोल दूंगा। और नहीं ज़्यादा हेल्प लेना तो किसी और। Hello everyone, good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to you all on IMS Gate Academy. In today's class, we are going to continue Z transform. In the earlier lectures, we have already started Z transform and we have discussed about the properties of Z transform. Inverse Z transform also we have recently started. And in the last class specifically, we have discussed about the long division method. All of you guys just confirm first of all audio and video so that we can continue the class. Yes. So student, in today's class we are going to continue this. I think where we have, which was the last slide of last class. I think this was the last question of last class, guys. Just do reply. Yes, this was the last slide of last class. So now today's class we are going to start with this question. This is a very good question, 2 marks question, EE 17 set 1. Consider a causal stable LTI system with a rational transfer function hz whose corresponding impulse response begins at n equal to 0. Furthermore, h1 equal to 5 by 4. The poles of hz are pk equal to this, where k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The zeros of hz are at z equal to 0. Let gn equal to j ki power n hn and asking for g8. So if I talk about the final expression which is examiner asking only g8. So g8 is nothing but j ki power 8 into h8, and we know that j ki power 8 is plus 1 only. So it means g8 is actually equal to h8. It means examiner is asking for g8, but it is equivalent to h8. So if you will find h8, that is nothing but your final answer. H8 means you are looking for Hn where n equal to 8, and Hz you can design because 0 and poles are given to you. Because student Pk, k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 are given, so if I will put the value P1 here, don't you think I will get 1 by root 2 e to the power j, and if I will put k1 here, 2 minus 1, so it will be pi only, so e to the power j pi by 4. So what you will get ultimately? You will get ultimately 1 by root 2 outside the bracket, and e to the power j pi by 4, it will be open like this guys, cos of pi by 4 plus j sin pi by 4 plus j sin pi by 4. Similarly student, if I will write P2, I will get 1 by root 2. If you will put k equal to 2 here, 2 to 4 minus 1 3, so e to the power j 3 pi by 4. So ultimately it will be 1 by root 2, and here what we should write? We should write cos of 3 pi by 4, cos of 3 pi by 4 plus j of sin of 3 pi by 4. Similarly student, if I talk about P3 here, P3 is nothing but 1 by root 2, P3, 3 to 6 minus 1 5, so e to the power j 5 pi by 4, so ultimately you will get 1 by root 2 cos of 3 pi by 4 and plus j into sin of 3 pi by 4. Similarly student, if I talk about P4, it is nothing but finally 1 by root 2 e to the power, when you will put 4 here, 4 to 8 minus 1 7, e to the power j 7 pi by 4. So ultimate answer will be 1 by root 2, and here you can write cos of 7 pi by 4, not 3 pi by, earlier also 5 pi by 4, 5 pi na, here 5 pi only, yes. So here you should write cos of 5 pi by 4 plus j sin of 5 pi by 4. Similarly student, here you should write cos of 7 pi by 4 plus j into sin of 7 pi by 4. So now what you will get guys? Do you know what is cos pi by 4 value? Vedahi, good afternoon beta, Vedahi, shabash. So Vedahi, I think I know that you know these all values very fast, and you mathematics, this is just the mathematics simple. So cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, and 1 by root 2 already outside. So I am just writing here 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. Now tell me whether he cos 3 pi by 4, what is the cos 3 pi by 4? Cos in the second quadrant, because here pi by 4 first quadrant, 3 pi by 4 in second quadrant, and we know that in the second quadrant guys, sin is the only positive, yes or no? First quadrant all positive, second quadrant sin, third quadrant tan, fourth quadrant cos. So cos will be negative, it means 1 by root 2 will be outside, sir. Here you will get minus 1 by root 2, and sin 3 pi by 4 second quadrant positive only, so that is why it will keep as a j 1 by root 2. Now similarly guys, what you will get here, 1 by root 2 e ki power j pi by 4. So if I will take 1 by root 2 outside, here what you will get, cos pi root 2 already, 1 by root 2 already outside, cos pi by 4. Now cos pi by 4 means third quadrant cos negative and sin both are negative. It means we should write here minus 1 by root 2, and sin is also negative, so that is why minus j 1 by root 2. Similarly guys, 1 by root 2 P4 e ki power j 7 pi by 4 and all, so that is why here we should write 1 by root 2 outside the bracket, and inside the bracket cos 7 pi by 4, fourth quadrant cos positive this time, but sin 7 pi by 4, it means sin fourth quadrant negative only. So what you should write? You should write cos positive, so 1 by root 2, but sin negative, so j 1 by root 2, yes. Tell me guys, yes or no? So these all are the values of P1, P2, P3, P4. So we have total 4 poles, and all the 4 poles values we have mentioned here. Actually guys, we don't have class yesterday and day before yesterday, because I have a offline class at the Bangalore center, full day offline classes and all. So that is why I was not able to take the YouTube live session, okay. But today we have a session, tomorrow also we have session, okay. And after the jet transform, we will start the discrete Fourier analysis, okay. We will discuss DTFS, DTFT, DFT, FFT and all, okay. Chalega. So you should just do reply, is this completed, shall we go for next? Is this completed pyare bachcho, shall we go for next, just let me know. I think it is completed now. P1, P2, P3, P4 value we have maintained here, we have just write down here. Now I am looking for the final HZ. So you should tell me guys what is HZ. HZ means you should tell how many poles we have, P1, P2, P3, P4, 4 poles we have, and so 4 poles we have, it means I can, if I am designing a transfer function, I should write like that, k into I am writing z minus P1, z minus P2, Z minus P3 and Z minus P4. Yeah. And do you know, student, here one line is given to you कि capital H1 is 5 by 4, okay, but impulse response Hn begins at n equal to 0. Begins at n equal to 0, it means highest power of denominator and highest power of numerator should be same. Because if the highest power is not same, if you will divide by the long division method, the first term will not get 1. First term Z inverse or Z ki power 1 will come if the powers are not same. I hope you are getting with it. In the last class we have seen the long division method, yes or no? So student, let me take the example. Suppose that highest power here is Z square, highest power here is Z cube. So when you will divide, the first power will come Z inverse. Z inverse means your impulse response will start from one location. But we are looking for ki Hn will start from n equal to 0. It means whatever the highest power of numerator, it should match with the highest power of denominator. Z square, Z cube, Z ki power 4, Z ki power 4. So due to this line, just because of this sentence, we know that ki total number of zeros should be equal to total number of poles. Now in the next sentence, the zeros of Hz are all at origin. All at origin. It is not given the number of zeros. The number of zero also hidden in the concept guide. You have to identify. The zero of Hz are all at Z equal to 0. All, it means how many? Because number of poles are 4, so highest power in the denominator will be Z ki power 4. So here we should write Z4. So this is my transfer function h of z. This is my transfer function h of z. Now what should I do? Hz I have. Can I put z equal to 1? Because here it is given h1 equal to 5 by capital H1 it is. Capital H1 is 5 by 4. Capital H1 is 5 by 4. So it means what, guys? If capital H1 is 5 by 4, it means we should write z equal to 1 here. And we should write this h1. If I will put z equal to 1, then I will get k into 1 upon. Okay, I will put this value later. First of all, I need to simplify this one. So Hz is equal to actually what, guys? K into Z4 upon K into Z4 upon Z minus P1. Okay, so you should tell me here. Shall I write, guys, the P1, P2? I am just removing this part because I need some space here. Tell me, guys, can I say that, sir, it is nothing but actually half plus J half? Because when you will open the bracket, 1 by root 2 will become 1 by 2 only. Chali. So here also you will get, guys, minus ka half plus J ka half, minus ka half plus J half. Here also you will get, guys, minus ka half or minus ka J half. And finally here you will get, guys, 1 by 2 and minus ka J half. Bolo hai na. So I think these values you will get. These values you will get. So don't you think, guys, can I say that if I will take minus common here, inside the bracket I will get half plus half j, here also half plus half j. So this P3 is nothing but actually minus P1. P3 is nothing but actually minus P1, and if I will take minus common here, then I can also say that P4 is nothing but minus P2. Tell me whether it is clear or not, beta. Is it clear or not? Shall I write like this? It's a very good question, very good. Why very good? Because not only depends on Z transform, depending on good mathematics part involved here. If you know the maths, guys, then only you can approach such type of question. You should have a strong mathematics concept. Shall we go for next? Yes, P1, P2 values we have. So now should I write here Z minus P1 and Z minus P2 is as it is? You should tell me, guys. I told you already, sir, by the last slide we can observe P3 I can replace as minus P1 and P4 I can also replace as minus P2. Yeah. P3 I can replace as minus P1 and P4 I can replace as minus P2. So ultimately I will get here Z plus P1 and Z minus minus plus P2. So ultimately what you will get, guys? Ultimately you will get Hz actually K dot Z4 upon A plus B, A minus B, it means you will get Z square minus P1 square. And you will also get here A plus B, A minus B, Z square minus P2 square. All of you guys just do reply fast, yes or no. And do you know what is the P1 and P2 value, guys? Yes, sir, we know. P1 value is nothing but, where P1 value is nothing but 1 by 2 plus J half. And P2 value is nothing but, guys, minus half plus J half. Yeah. This is your P2 value, bolo hai na. So P1 value is half plus j half and minus half plus j half, yeah, minus half plus j. So this is your P1 value guys and this is your P2 value guys. Half plus half j minus half plus j half. And if you will make it square, what is P1 square? If I will make P1 square, if I will make P1 square, I will get 1 by 4. J square means again minus 1 by 4. And I will get guys twice AB, it means I will get j by 2 only plus ka. Similarly, if I will make here P2 square, so P2 square is nothing but 1 by 4 minus ka 1 by 4 and plus ka j by plus or j minus ka j by 2 minus ka 1 by 4 and again we are having minus ka j by 2. So this 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 get cancelled. And if I will put this value guys, what I will get Hz equal to k dot z4 upon z square minus p square. It means we should write z square minus P1 square value is nothing but plus j by 2. P1 square value is nothing but j by 2. So I am writing here j by 2. Similarly, P2 square value is nothing but minus j by 2. So I am writing minus j by 2. Minus plus actually plus j by 2. Now you should tell me, is there any other opportunity to apply again a plus b, a minus b, beta whether he a plus b, a minus b here Hz. So your Hz finally will become what? It will become finally kz4 upon, again here a minus b, a plus b, so a square minus b square, so z square ka power z4 minus j by 2 ka whole square. So j square means minus ka minus plus and you will get here 1 by 4. Yeah. So student, here what you will get k into z4 upon z4 plus 1 by 4. K into z4 upon z4 plus 1 by 4. All of you guys just do reply fast. Is this crystal clear to you beta? Is this crystal clear to you? K dot z ki power 4 upon z4 plus 1 by 4. So this is your final Hz now. This is your final Hz. This is your final Hz. This is your final Hz. So Hz value I am putting here k into z4. K into z4 upon z4 plus 1 by 4. K into z4 upon k into z4. So we should write k into z4 upon z4 plus 1 by 4. Z4 plus 1 by 4. Now this is my final function and h1 value is given to me as a 5 by 4. H1 value is given to us as a 5 by 4 so that we can identify the unknown value k, because here it is given that capital H1 is 5 by 4. It is given capital H1, it means z equal to 1. It means here z equal to 1. So if I will put this value here, H1 I will get in the equation as a k dot 1 upon 1 plus 1 by 4. And do you know H1 value is given 5 by 4 and equal to k upon 4 1 5. Again it will be 5 by 4. So ultimately your k value will be 25 by 16. 5 5 ja 25, 4 4. So k value is nothing but 25 upon 16. So now your transfer function will be look like this. Now if I talk about the transfer function, my transfer function finally is nothing but k value is 25 upon 16. K value is nothing but 25 upon 16 into z4 upon you will also write z4 plus 1 by 4. Z4 plus 1 by 4. All of you guys just do reply fast. Is this crystal clear or not? 25 by 16 z4 upon z4 plus 1 by 4. Z4 plus 1 by 4. So now Hn, Hz is here and examiner asking for h of n value, and h of n value you know that how to find. So I am just dividing by the long division method, and long division method already we have discussed in the last class, and we had a discussion of some examples also. Try to divide it guys. Try to divide it fast. All of you guys try to divide. 25 by 16 z4, and what is available here? Z ki power 4 plus 1 by 4. So guys, when you will divide, what you will get? Tell me. This is z4, 25 by 16 z4. So whatever is available and whatever is required. Whatever is required guys, requirement is 25 by 16 z4. What is available? Z4. So if I will multiply with this 25 by 16, I will get 25 by 16 into z ki power 4. And also what you will get, because I am multiplying this, so I should get 25 upon because this part I should multiply one time this, so it will become this, and again 1 by 4. So it will be 25 upon 16 4 ja 64. Now when you will subtract, this part get cancelled out, and ultimately this part will become minus ka 25 upon 64. Tell me guys, yes or no? Minus ka 25 upon 64, is this clear or not beta? Minus ka 25 upon 64, is this clear? Yes. So now what is the requirement? The requirement is minus ka 25 upon 64, but what is available? Available is z ki power 4. So we should multiply with z ki power minus 4 so that it will compensate z ki power 4, and the magnitude will be minus ka 25 upon 64 z ki power minus 4. If I will multiply with this, I will eventually get minus ka 25 upon 64, और z की power minus 4, z की power plus 4 will cancel out, and again I will get minus के साथ 25 upon 64 into 4 is nothing but 256, and I will get here z की power minus 4. Now you should tell me guys, when you will add this plus, so ultimately you will get here 25 upon 256 z की power minus 4. Now you should tell me कि requirement is z की power minus 4 and available is z की power plus 4. So you should multiply with this term plus 25 upon 256 into z की power minus 8. If I will multiply with z की power minus 8 to z की power plus 4, ultimately I will get the same to same 25 upon 256 into z की power minus 4, and it will get cancelled out. And why other values are not required? Because z की power minus 8 term is nothing but, the coefficient is nothing but h8. So you are looking for h8 value because h8 is equal to g8. Examiner is asking for the g8, and here z की power minus 8 coefficient is working as a h8. So your answer is nothing but 25 upon 256. And when you will calculate this, what you will get exactly, just let me know. Is it 0.09 something? Just calculate it and let me know what is the answer. 25 upon 256, so it will 0.097, 0.097, 0.097. This will be the final numerically entry answer guys. This exact value you have to type 0.097. You will get the perfect marks, whatever the weightage of this question. 2 marks you will get guys if you will type 0.97, 0.98, both are correct only. Chali, I think now it is completed guys. Just take your time and complete it, no problem. Shabash. So whether tell me beta, shall we go for next? Is this completed? Yes or wait? I think it is completed now. Yes. Do reply fast. Shall we go for next or should I wait? Shall we go for next guys or should I wait? Just let me know. Next, shabash. So next question is here, and this is next is partial fraction. Whatever we have discussed till now, we have discussed about the inverse Z transform. The first technique was the long division method, and now we are going to discuss the partial fraction approach. So how we will approach by using the partial fraction approach? This is example we will learn how to find x of n inverse z transform by using the partial fraction for different reason of convergence, ROC. So if ROC given mode of z, so here you have to only remember this box, guys. The standard form you have to remember. If you don't know this form, you can't find. A ki power n un, the z transform is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus ka a z inverse, and ROC mode of z is greater than mode of a. Similarly, student, you should also write minus a ki power n u of minus n minus 1, and the z transform is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus ka a z inverse, same to same, but this time mode of z is less than mode of a. So because of this ROC, you can feel a ki power n un, z transform is 1 upon 1 minus a z inverse, ROC mode of z greater than mode of a. Similarly, minus a ki power n u of minus n minus 1, z transform 1 upon 1 minus ka a z inverse, and ROC mode of z less than mode of a. So if I talk about the first case, these ABC are not the option, all are the conventional questions. So if I talk about the first question, first of all I should take the partial fraction here, guys. If I will take the partial fraction even in terms of z inverse only, no problem. Sometime in many books generally they convert into z inverse to z, they are taking common, and after that they convert into z ki power plus 1 form. It is not at all required, guys. It is just the wasting of time. Okay, you should directly take the partial fraction in terms of z inverse itself. Okay, very welcome Naveen, welcome. So 1 minus 2z inverse, 1 minus 2z inverse here I am writing, and here also I am writing 1 minus 3z inverse. So you should tell me, guys, if I will equate this term equal to 0, I am looking for AB, partial fraction coefficients. So 1 minus 2z inverse, it means if this term is equate to 0, then z inverse value is half. Then z inverse value is half. If this part when you will hide, in place of z inverse you should type 1 by 2. In place of z inverse you should write 1 by 2. So here is z inverse and here is also z inverse, you should type 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, it means numerator will carry 5 by 2, and here what you will get 1 minus 3 by 2, because here also you will get 1 minus 3 by 2 is nothing but minus half. So it means 2 get cancelled, minus 5. So this coefficient is nothing but minus 5. Similarly, 1 minus 3 z inverse, it means 1 by 3. Z inverse value is 1 by 3, guys, but this time this part you have to hide. So it will be actually 5 by 3 upon 1 minus 2 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3, 3 cancel. So you will get plus 5 here. So as far as coefficients are concerned, I think it is very easy to identify how to find AB coefficients and all. How to find AB coefficients and all. Bolo yes or no? Now you should tell me, bachcho, everyone should tell me now, कि sir here, because the ROC required mode of z greater than 3, it means here this time we have the ROC mode of z is greater than 2, and this time also we have one ROC, that is mode of z is greater than 3. So one ROC says that greater than 2, one ROC says that greater than 3, then only you will get the ultimate ROC outside to the outermost circle. Yes or no? Because to make the ROC outside to outermost circle, both should be right sided, both should be outside. It means 2 radius circle, 3 radius circle, and ROC is outside. It means both are right sided, it means no precaution, directly you can take the inverse z transform x of n, and it is nothing but minus 5 into 2 ki power n into u of n, and here also plus 5 as it is, and here you can write 3 ki power n into u of n. So this is nothing but your x of n, guys. This is nothing but your x of n. This is nothing but your x of n. I hope it is clear to you. I hope this is clear to you, crystal clear to you. Bolo ha ya na. Is this crystal clear? Just do reply fast. Is this clear? Is this crystal clear? Yes, sir, crystal clear. Minus 5, 2 ki power n, un, plus 5, 3 ki power n, un. Yeah, x of n. So this is the first question. This is the first question. Question number A we have completed. Question number A we have completed. Yes. Completed or not? Just let me know. Is this completed? Do reply, Naveen and Vedahi. Do reply. Are you getting this or not, beta? Yes or no? Yes. So student, if I talk about the B question, where ROC mod of Z is less than 2. If I talk about the case number 1, in the case number 1 we have a 2 circle, one is having the 2 radius circle and other is having the 3 radius circle. So this is my 2 radius circle guy, this is my 3 radius circle, and ultimate ROC is outside to the outermost circle. So it means earlier we have the ROC outside to the 3 radius circle, this is 3 radius circle, this is 2 radius circle. Now student, if I talk about the B, here ROC less than, mod of Z is less than 2. Because ROC is less than 2, what should I do? Both should be left hand side. And if both are left hand side, I should take the precaution and I should consider the negative sign also. So because minus sign already here, so that is why I should write plus 5 here and I should write 2 ki power n u of minus n minus 1. Yeah. And because here minus sign is not there, so I should take minus sign here because minus is here, the standard form, minus a ki power n. A is what here? A is 3 actually. So minus 5 is also constant, no? 5 is also constant as it is, and we should write here 3 ki power n into u of minus n minus 1. So this is nothing but your final answer in the case number B, and where if I talk about the ROC, I have a 3 radius circle, I have a 2 radius circle also, and I have a unity circle here. This is dot 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 unity circle. So this is the radius 2 guys and this is having the radius 3 guys. And both the ROC inside, this ROC is also inside and this ROC is also inside. If both the ROC is inside, then for the left side signals, the common ROC will be left hand side to the or inside to the innermost circle. Left hand side to the leftmost pole or inside to the innermost circle. I got the answer, sir, but I wrote instead of 2 and 3. Okay, no problem, beta Vedai, no problem. Chale. Batao here, what is the correct answer now? This x of n you are getting or not, beta? Vedai and Naveen. Bolo bachcho. I hope you are getting this. I hope you guys getting this, yes. So second question, both are left sided, absolutely clear, sir. Now the C question also I am solving here only, I have a space. Because this time I need to make mod of Z is greater than 2 and less than 3. It means this part should be right side and this part should be left side. It means if I am taking the, so mod of Z greater than 2, for right side no need of precaution, it means minus 5 as it is, and here you should write 2 ki power n into u of n. But this you have to make it left hand side because mod of Z is less than 3. You have to make it left hand side, mod of Z less than 3. It means what you will get? You will get plus 5, into also you will get 3 ki power n into u of minus n minus 1. Yeah. U of minus n minus 1. Bolo bachcho bolo. Shall we go for next? Mod of Z is greater than 2 and less than 3. Mod of Z is greater than 2 and less than 3. Yes. Mod of Z is greater than 2 and less than 3. Everyone guys do reply fast. Shall we go for next? चले बच्चों हम आगे चलें. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next guys? Do reply fast. Here, a causal discrete time LTI system is described by, I think last question clear beta. So this is a difference equation. We know that whenever any differential equation is given in the continuous time domain, to find the transfer function, we have to take the Laplace transform both sides. Sir 3 की power n minus multiply क्यों नहीं हो रहा? एक मिनट let me take. Sorry बच्चों, minus because minus is reverse part, so minus should come here, sir. Minus, very good. I have missed this part, beta. Very good beta. Vedai, shabash. Of course, this is left hand side, so minus a की power, so minus should be there. So both term minus 1, both term minus only, both term negative only, shabash, both term negative only, very good beta Vedai, shabash, excellent, excellent, excellent. पता नहीं who made this plus guys, पता नहीं किसने आके plus कर दिया इसको. चलिए बच्चों, it should be minus ना, it must be minus, typing error. चलिए, shall we go for next? Shall we go for next guys? Naveen, shabash, Naveen is also correct, very good Naveen. Minus should be there sir, minus must be there, just because of here also minus na sir, here also minus, because left hand side minus, so it is also minus, it should be also minus, yes. चलिए बच्चों, now whenever any difference equation is there, you should take the Z transform. Whenever any differential equation, then Laplace transform, continuous time domain. Whenever we have a discrete time domain, then we have difference equation. So I am writing the difference equation here so that I can take the Z transform, because here I don't have space. So twice of where is the question? Yn minus 3 by 4, Yn minus 3 by 4, Yn minus 1, minus 3 by 4, y of n minus का 1, plus 1 by 8 y n minus का 2, और फिर xn plus 1 by 8 y of n minus का 2, plus 1 by 8 y of n minus का 2, और फिर x of n. Yes or no guys? So y by n minus 3 by 4 y n minus का 1 plus 1, cross check कर लेंगे क्वेश्चन का एक बार. Yes. So the first step is we should take, whenever a difference equation is given, take Z transform both sides. Take Z transform both sides. So when you will take the Z transform both sides, you will get actually yz minus 3 by 4 Z inverse dot yz plus 1 by 8 Z की power minus 2 dot yz is equal to xz guys. ये is equal to xz. Now you should tell me if I will take yz common. If I will take yz common, then inside the bracket will get 1 minus का 3 by 4 Z inverse and plus 1 by 8 Z की power minus 2. And it is equivalent to xz. It is equivalent to xz. So now you should tell me guys what is this. So you will get yz upon xz is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus का 3 by 4 Z inverse and plus 1 by 8 Z की power minus 2. So this is your transfer function and it is nothing but hz guys. It is nothing but hz. So hz value is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus का 3 by 4 Z inverse plus 1 by 8 Z की power minus 2. All of you guys just do reply fast. Is this crystal clear to you guys? Is this crystal clear to you? So 1 upon 1 minus का 3 by 4 Z inverse plus 1 by 8 Z की power minus 2 plus 1 by 8 Z की power minus 2. पता नहीं कौन लिख के चला जाता है. Yes. Now examiner, the first question is transfer function that we have calculated. Determine hz, conventional question again. So determine hz, so hz we have calculated already. Hz we have already calculated. Now find the impulse response Hn. Impulse response Hn means, if I talk about the second question now, the first question already completed. This is your transfer function. Transfer function. So first question over guys. Now second question impulse response. Second question is what guys? Impulse response. Second question is impulse response. So if I talk about the impulse response, then what you will get? In the impulse response actually it is yz upon x of z, and for the impulse response case actually xz value 1. Xz value 1. It means this xz value if I am putting, it is 1 only. And now this part I am taking the partition. Shall I write here 1 minus ka 1 by 4 Z inverse and 1 minus ka 1 by 2 Z inverse. Just let me know guys, should I write like this or not? Can I write like this or not? Just multiply it, you are getting the same or not. 1 minus 1 by 4 Z inverse और minus का half Z inverse. 1 by 4 and 1 by half मिलके 3 by 4 and minus minus plus 1 by 8 Z की power minus 2. So now ultimately yz will be what guys? The ultimately yz value will be now, here it will be 1 minus ka 1 by 4 Z inverse, and here also you will get 1 minus ka 1 by 2 Z inverse. 1 minus ka 1 by 4 Z inverse, and 1 minus ka half Z inverse. So if I talk about the Z inverse value guys, I will get the Z inverse value what? If I will equate this term equal to 0, then Z inverse value will be 4. If Z inverse value will be 4 here, Z inverse value will be 4, then what you will get? 4 upon 2. Yes or no? Z inverse value, directly Z inverse value is what? 1 minus half 1 by 4 Z inverse. Z inverse when you cross multiply 4. So if Z inverse value is 4 and when you will put here 2 to the 4, 1 minus ka 2, so minus 1. Similarly 1 minus ka half Z inverse, so Z inverse value is half. Z inverse value is half and this time you have to, Z inverse value is 2, sorry, Z inverse value 1 minus ka half Z inverse, so Z inverse value is 2, then you will hide this part, it is 2 by 4, so half. So 1 minus half means 2, so ultimately we should write here 2. Bolo hai na? Are you guys getting the same? Whether you just do reply? Whether he beta just do reply fast, ha ya na, is this clear or not? Is this clear or not? I hope it is clear. Now we have to find out the impulse response. If nothing is given, then by default we have to take causal sequence, right side sequence. So here I am taking this h of n we are taking, nothing is given, it means by default right hand side. So it means minus 1 is outside, I am taking 1 by 4 ki power n into u of n, and here also I am taking twice into, I am taking here 1 by 2 ki power n u of n. So it means this is nothing but my y of n, and this yn is nothing but actually impulse response. This yn is nothing but actually impulse response. All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Bolo, bolo, bolo. Shall we go for next, guys? Hi, Anna. Just complete this part. Just complete this part, and once you will complete, you should reply fast. Once you will complete now, you should reply fast. Bolo. Shall we go for next? I think we should go for next, yes. So this is impulse response now. Now student, we are having the next, that is nothing but find the step response, So I will have a C. Now the C question is, third question is impulse response, unit step response. Unit step response, what is the HZ value guys? So HZ value I am taking from here after partition, HZ value, yeah. HZ value is nothing but, if I will take the partial fractions and all, I will get minus ka 1 upon, I will get actually minus ka 1 upon 1 minus ka 1 by 4 Z inverse, and minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4 Z inverse plus 2 upon 1 minus plus 2 upon 1 minus ka 1 by 2 Z inverse, yeah. Plus 2 upon 1 minus ka 1 by 2 Z inverse, yeah. Now guys, you should tell me if I will take the inverse Laplace, but this time what you need to do? Even this equation is not sufficient. Earlier equation is required because you have to cross multiply un also. Partial fraction. This equation is only required now. This equation. So partition, it means 1 upon 1 minus ka 1 by 4. Why this is not required? I will tell you. 1 minus 1 by 4 Z inverse and 1 minus ka 1 by 2 Z inverse. Why this required? 1 minus ka 1 by 4 Z inverse, 1 minus ka 1 by 2 Z inverse, because transfer function only this term. I am just having partition of these two terms, because this time na HZ, YZ is nothing but HZ is nothing but YZ upon XZ. And do you know this type step response? And due to step response, due to step input, if I talk about the x of n is a u of n, then my Z transform is nothing but actually 1 upon 1 minus ka Z inverse. Yeah. So I should cross multiply this x of z. So y of z upon 1 is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus ka z inverse and dot 1 minus ka 1 by 4 z inverse and dot 1 minus ka half z inverse. Yeah. 1 minus ka half Z inverse. So now you should tell me guys, if I talk about the YZ equal to, we'll have here 1 minus ka Z inverse, we'll have the partition 1 minus ka 1 by 4 Z inverse, and we have also the partition 1 minus ka 1 by 2 Z inverse. So if you will equate this part equal to 0, Z inverse equal to 1 you will get. And if you will hide this part, Z inverse value 1, so 1 minus 1 by 4 and 1 minus half. Do you know 1 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4, and 1 minus half is nothing but again half. So so it will be 3 by 8, 1 upon 3 by 8 actually. It will be 1 upon 3 by 8, so it will be 8 by 3. So we should write here 8 by 3. Bolo hai na? Are you guys getting the same 8 by 3? Bolo yes or no beta? Every student should reply beta yes or no. Similarly 1 minus ka these two coefficient you have to reply guys. You have to do this coefficient. I want to check whether you are comfortable in the partial fraction or not. These two coefficient you only need to reply. Reply fast. Whether it says that 1 by 3 and minus 1. Kya baat, very good. So again student, if you will reply, if you will just 1 minus 1 by 4 Z inverse equate to this 0, you will get Z inverse value 4. And because of Z inverse value 4, when you will hide this part, so 1 minus ka 4, so it means 1 upon 1 minus ka 4, it means minus 3 here. And when you will put 4 here, so it will 4 by 2, so 2, 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. So minus minus plus, so it will be plus 1 by 3 guys. Shabash, plus 1 by 3, very good beta Vedahi. Now if I will talk about Z inverse value 2, so when you will equate this term equal to 0, you will get Z inverse value 2. And when you will hide this part, because of Z inverse value 2, you will get 1 upon 1 minus 2 is means minus 1, 1 minus 2 it means minus 1. And again Z inverse value is 2, so 2 by 4 means half, so you will get half. It means you will get minus ka 2. It means you will get minus ka 2. Bolo kya bolta? Minus ka 2, हाँ या ना? Minus ka 2 or minus ka half beta? Just do reply. Minus ka 2 or minus ka half? Is it minus ka 2 or minus ka half? Whether he, just check again. Check again beta, check again. Z inverse value. Minus ka 1 here and it will be 2 by 4, so half, so minus ka 2. Naveen, just confirm the values of ABC beta. Is this clear or not? And if nothing given, we are taking the right hand side movement, so it will be, bolo. Partial fraction coefficients are clear to you. Whether he and Naveen, do reply fast. Minus 2, sir, yes, okay. So now when you will take the inverse Laplace guys, you will get 8 by 3 into u of n, and here you will get plus ka 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 ki power n into u of n, and you will also write minus 2 into 1 by 2 ki power n into u of n. So this is nothing but your yn guys. All of you guys just do reply fast. Is this crystal clear to you? Yes or no? Is this crystal clear to you? Bolo हाँ या ना? Yn equal to 8 by 3 u of n plus 1 by 3 1 by 4 की power u n minus 2 half की power n u n. ये all of you guys just do reply fast. Clear sir, shabash. So this is nothing but your step response. This is nothing but your step response. So impulse response in the last slide, step response is here. Conventional question it is. Now we are going for the next question, and that is nothing but the gate question. And this gate question guys I am expecting from you. Should I expect from you or not? Just let me know. Yes, I am giving you a hint. Actually here some there is some corrections in the options. Alpha is less than 2. Alpha is equal here. Alpha is less than here. Yes. Just try to solve this. Try to solve this question guys. I am giving you 2-minute time for this. I am giving you a 2-minute timer. 2-minute timer I am giving to you. Try to solve this question fast. Try to solve this question fast. Yes. तो बच्चों बोलो, इज इट फाइनल आंसर? चलिए बच्चों, सो आई थिंक नो वन हैज रिप्लाइड करेक्टली आंसर टिल नाउ. एनी आंसर बेटा? नो. चलिए, now let me explain it. So first step is coming in your mind, that is we should take the z transform both side. So if I will take the z transform both side, I will get twice yz equal to, you will get alpha into z की power minus 2 into yz, alpha dot z की power minus 2 into yz, minus का 2x of z, minus का 2xz plus beta into, you will get z inverse dot xz. So now student, when I will take common yz, what you will get? You will get 2 minus ka alpha z minus 2 is equal to, when you will take common xz here, you will get beta z inverse minus 2. When you will take common xz, you will get beta z inverse minus 2. So ultimately what you will get, guys, you will get yz upon xz is equal to beta z inverse minus 2 upon beta z inverse minus 2 upon, here you will get actually 2 minus ka alpha z minus 2. So this is your transfer function, guys, but here it is says that it will be stable. It means ROC must include. It will be stable means ROC must include. Unity circle. ROC must include unity circle. So I want to convert into the ROC form. So 2 I am taking outside. So that beta z inverse minus 2 upon, if I am taking 2 outside the bracket, I will get inside the bracket 1 minus alpha z minus 2 upon 2. And this complete equation I can rewrite. I am just considering this 2 into in the next. So I am writing here 0.5 1 by 2, and I am writing here beta z inverse minus 2 upon here get 1 minus ka alpha z minus 2 upon 2. Yeah. 1 minus ka alpha z minus 2 upon 2. Yeah. And do you know here, this term should be, the ROC says that this term should be, so ROC means 1 minus whatever we have here. So mod of alpha z minus 2 upon 2, mod of alpha z minus 2 upon 2 should be less than 1. Yeah. Mod of alpha z minus 2 upon 2 should be less than 1. If it is less than 1, then it means what, guys? It means z square there, z square is just z ki power minus 2 when you will shift in denominator and cross multiply. So you will get actually z square greater than alpha by 2. So you will get actually mod of z ROC is nothing but greater than root of alpha by 2. Now student, ROC is outside. Mod of z is greater than alpha by 2. I should take a circle. Here ROC. I will explain by using the diagram. Yes. So now you should tell me, guys, if I will have a diagram here, like this. Now let me change the color of fan. This is my root alpha by 2, complete root alpha by 2. And do you know कि ROC is outside? It means this is my imaginary part of Z and this is my real part of Z. This is my Z plane and my ROC is outside, guys. My ROC is outside. Yeah. This is my ROC, guys. This is my ROC. My ROC is outside only. And do you know if your ROC is outside, do you know guys, if your ROC is outside, then you have to cover what? You have to complete the unity circle. You have to complete what guys? The ROC must include what? The ROC must include what guys? Unity circle. The ROC must include unity circle to make the system stable. ROC must include unity circle to make the system stable. ROC must include the unity circle to make the system stable. It means guys, here what we have guys, here we should have unity circle. It means if we need to include the ROC by unity circle, if the ROC include the unity circle, it means the root alpha by 2 value should be less than 1 or greater than 1. Whether you tell me, root alpha by 2 value should be greater than 1 or less than 1, beta, tell me. Root alpha by 2 value should be greater than 1 or less than 1, just let me know. Root alpha by 2 value should be less than 1. Because if ROC is outside and if unity circle is outside this, it means this term should be less than 1. Less than 1, it means root alpha should be less than root 2. It means alpha less than 2. And ROC does not depend on numerator. ROC depending on the poles only. It means the answer is Chennai Super King CSK. Mode of alpha should be less than 2, any value of beta. Mode of alpha less than 2, any value of beta. Yes. Correct answer is option number C guys. Correct answer is option number C. Vikas Naveen Vedahi. Do reply beta. All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next बच्चों? Shall we go for next प्यारे बच्चों? Yes or no? चलिए. So I think guys that's all from today's class. Okay. Next class will meet tomorrow only at the same time. Okay. तब तक के लिए बच्चों bye bye, take care. And next upcoming class we will start the next part also, as I already told you, discrete Fourier analysis and all. Okay. Those who are looking for the complete structure gate preparation for gate 24-25, you can join us on the IMS Gate Academy. You can visit our website imsindia.com/gate. And guys, you can also contact to the directly student advisory team, counselors. The mobile number or WhatsApp number is given in the description. Once you will enroll in the program, you will get 800 plus live lecture access. You will get 26 to 30 hard copy of booklet, theory book and exercise book, which cover 4,000 plus practice question. You will get 130 plus test series, which includes subject test, multiple subject test, advanced level subject test, mock test, and you will also get the dedicated doubt solving portal where you can ask your doubt, and you will get one-to-one, one-to-many mentorship my plan sessions. Bye bye प्यारे बच्चों. That's all from today's session. We'll meet tomorrow. Welcome बेटा वेदही. चलिए. Okay guys, bye bye.